create rain gutter for end. I just go to the beam. Here I use, this is for rain gutter. If you go here, you will get it this shape of folded plate, and I used, this is the value. You can use this all the dimensions as per your market available rain gutter, or if you it is not available, you can make this kind of rain gutter in a plate. Now I just go to apply and click OK. Click the first point, then I click the next point, expand. So now you can see here rain gutter is created like this. Now go to the grid A, go to the view list, select grid A. Now if you go to this side, you can see here what we created. Select this point, right click, move, click this point, and we need to place it exactly the end of this column. So our column is here. You can click outside and place it, then don't expand. Press Ctrl 1, you can see very clearly the column and all. So this is our column, you can see here. I just select this one, right click, hide it. So now you can very clearly you can see this one. This is our cap plate. Now select this one, right click, move, click this point and place it exactly this end of this cap plate. Then again select this one, right click, go to the move command, click any location and place it like this. Make it 460, enter. Don't X. Now you can see here this is the location of this gutter. Then you can make connection here also. If you need any additional support, definitely you can use any angle or channel, you can use it and you can support this one additionally. Now I just keep as it is. You can see here this flashing is clashing here. So now I just go to make a concession line, just create a concession line, then I create a concession line, just keep as it is. Now I go to here, polygon cut, select like this, so to end also you can select. Now I just click here, somewhere else click here, then I click here and click here and just place it somewhere else here, just click here, then I press the mouse enter button, it will cut and remove now. So now you can see this one is passing through this flashing. Then you can see here this sheet also you need to cut and remove. So for that, go to here, polygon cut, select this sheet also, then you can click this point, just click this point, then I click here, then I click here, then press the mouse enter button, here it is. Now select this one, press Alt key in your keyboard, select this area, right click, move, click this point, you can place it here, it will cut and remove perfectly. Now if you go to the 3D view, you can see here what we created. So now the whole water you will get it outside. Then you can select this one, then go to this view, then go to the view, select here, already we created work plane here. If it is not like this, you have to create here, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click here, then go to copy, don't expand, click OK. Now you can see here you will get it here also. So now you can cut and remove other all the parts what we done, same like that you can cut and remove here also. Now I just go to polygon cut, select this sheet and flashing together I select like this. Then click the first point here, click the next point here. Approximately you can click here, no problem, but this end is we need to click properly. Click this end point, then just place it like this. Click this point, then press the mouse center button. You can see totally everything is cutting and remove. Now I just go to 3D view. You can see this side and this side, both the side perfectly created this one. If you want any additional support, you can give the additional support also, but we don't want any additional support. I just place it like this. So this is the way you can create rain gutter in Tecla structure. Thank you.